Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Vince. Okay, and today I'll be showing you how to connect your wireless Bluetooth headset to a smart TV. Okay, I know it can be very irritating, especially during lockdown when both couples are not working. Okay, then if your wife is sleeping, then you can't be owning the music until so loud or watch the TV too loud. Okay, so I bought this to solve the problem. Okay, so without further ado, let's unbox. Okay, I bought this online, which is from Q10 actually. Then I shipped it in by Q Express. Okay, it's called wireless audio transmitter / receiver. What you will do is connect this to the TV, and with this you can have the Bluetooth receiver connected to your headset. With that, the audio from the TV will be connected to the headset. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, inside here we have menu guide. Okay, menu guide, a cable, 2N cable, USB. Okay, let's start. The first thing we have to do is connect one end of the cable to the USB. Okay, both the end of the cable is the same, so connect one end of it to the USB. Okay, and connect the USB port to the power supply, to the power adapter. Okay, and the other end of the cable to the TV. Headphone set. Okay, connect to the headphone adapter port. Okay, slide in. Alright. Okay, remember to switch on the power adapter. Then you will see a blinking light. Can you see it? High up. On top. Okay, there. Can you see it's blinking? Okay, let it blink. Now back to the wireless headphone. Switch it on. Okay, switch on the Bluetooth. Switch on the Bluetooth. Press and hold. See, it's turning white. It's connected. Once it's bright and blue light is on, it's connected. And the other way to find out it's connected, the blinky light on the USB has stopped moving. Has stopped blinking. Okay, let's test the volume. You can see there's no volume now. So let's switch on the volume. Switch on the volume from your TV remote and also on the headset to increase the volume. Let's see if you can hear anything. See, it's connected to the headphone. Can you hear the music? Okay, so here we have it. It's very simple actually. All you have to do is buy the receiver online. You can buy from Q Express, Amazon, Lazada, or whichever website is in your country. You can purchase online and follow the step to connect the Bluetooth receiver to your headset. And Okay, this model is NK320. Okay. Two-in-one NK320. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more related videos, and please do visit my channel. There are more exciting videos in it, which I'm sure you can find something for your liking. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Ciao.
Subscribe to my channel.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.